Hello, I'm Yokbun. Welcome to my channel. Today I would like to share with you on VLOOKUP function with graphical concept. Okay, this is a graphical concept of VLOOKUP, and this is a formula of VLOOKUP based on this. Okay, so VLOOKUP, we have the lookup value. So compared to here is a lookup value 3 in here. Okay, we have the range, the red color here. The range is the D3, okay, the red color, column number and mesh type. Okay, so VLOOKUP is a 4-parameter function. Okay, the lookup value here act as a lookup pointer. That means it lookup on the first column down the row of the range. Okay, that means it's a lookup pointer. Then the column pointer is the column number. That means let's say it point to 3, that means it point here. That means, so the answer is of the VLOOKUP is the intersection of this pointer. Okay. Then the mesh type, we have two type of mesh type. That is the approximate mesh and the exact mesh. Okay, for approximate mesh, the value is true or 1 or omitted. I mean omitted means become 3 parameters function only. Okay, that one is approximate mesh. So for exact mesh is the mesh type is false or 0. Okay, so the most common use is the exact mesh. Okay, let's say we look at this formula here, we create here. Okay, I open the formula. Okay, enter. Okay, so that means you see I got 8 here, then automatic here got 8. So that means it's point to the 8. The pointer is 4 and 8. Okay, the pointer, okay, is value 3 and 3. Okay, value 3 and 3, column 3. Okay, let's say I change this to let's say value 1, enter. Okay, so value 1 pointer 2 is 2. Okay, goes to 2. Okay, that means it's the intersection of the value 1 and the pointer here. Okay, let's say I change the pointer to 4. Okay, it becomes 3. Okay, so this how we look up. That means is the intersection of the this one is 4. Okay, roughly it's like that. So that means it return a single result only. Okay, now the example of approximate mesh. So approximate mesh means even you don't have the exact lookup value, it will see the the value in between. Okay, that means for this to, if this range must be in order, ascending order, so that VLOOKUP can know that, oh, this ascending order, that means it can take in between. Okay, let's say 61 here. So we want to use the mesh type omitted one. So 61 here, okay, VLOOKUP equal VLOOKUP. Okay, lookup for this one, the mark, blue color, comma, in this range. Okay, red color, comma, then we want the column is, lookup for this column is this one. That means it's this one 1 2, so it's 2. Then this one we say omitted, so that means we have 3 parameter, so we enter. So we got C. You see 61 is C, is above 60 but below 70, so it's C. Okay, so that means, okay, let's say we use another one, mesh, VLOOKUP, lookup for this one, comma, in this range, red color, comma,
Okay, so now same, the column number is 2, comma, then this one we use true, true, true. Okay, enter. This 4 parameter we look up. So we have F. So 37 means 0 in between this one, so it's F. Okay, so for 97 we have, so we look up 97 in this range, comma, then column number 2. Okay, then this one we want to use mesh 1. Okay, enter. So it's A. So that means it's above 80. So that means it less any, that means it's A. Okay. So this how the exact VLOOKUP is. And the approximate VLOOKUP. So now we go to exact VLOOKUP. Okay. So for exact VLOOKUP, that means we use a mesh type of false or what I say 0. Okay, let's say for this one we use equal VLOOKUP. Okay, so the lookup is a blue color, so back arrow, okay, comma, in this range. Okay, comma, so we want color is number 2, so we type 2, comma, then this one is a exact, so it's false. Okay, we get red, so that means shirt number 7 for color is 2, so shirt number 7 red, right? Okay, so now we do this one, equal VLOOKUP for shirt number 7. Okay, size is 3, so that means in this range size is 3, then this one we use 0. Okay, so we have the same answer. Okay, so let's say we want to have another way of the variable column, so we can use VLOOKUP this one in this range. Okay, then we can use variable column. We click here. Okay, 0 for exact. So we have for 15. Okay, that means this one we already made the VLOOKUP exact one. Simple one, very simple. Okay, so let's say I copy down here. That means it got reference because of the this one is not locked. Okay, so for it to copy down, you have to lock the range. Okay, similar for this. And for this, you have to lock the range because this one is F5 here. You have to lock also F4 key to lock. So that means you copy down, you have all okay. Okay, so this is how we do the exact VLOOKUP, simple one. Okay, now we want to do a more sophisticated one. That means you want to do a VLOOKUP based on the, we don't want the outside. That means this one is variable, it's not fixed to, let's say you key now, it's fixed to this cell. So can we do without fixing? That means it's variable, it follow the color, size and stock. Okay, so we use another VLOOKUP. Okay, I mean, okay, so we set this one, copy, come here. Okay, then we copy space special, we transpose.
Okay, so we have this, then we make a okay. So now we see color is 2, size 3, and stock 4. So we put 3, 2, 3, 4. Center it. Okay. So now we make use of this to become automate this one. Okay, we see equal VLOOKUP the left key, arrow key, comma in this range, comma. Okay, so for column we want to come from here, that means color, so that means we use another VLOOKUP. Okay, so for let's say I don't want to use, I show you as easier to understand. Let's say I use 2 first, comma 0. Okay, okay. Now I got red. So now I want to change this, right? 2 I will use. That means inside the arrow here I change. I create a VLOOKUP. So VLOOKUP for this one in this range. Okay. No, lookup for color in this range, then is number 2. Okay, close exact. Okay, so enter. So that means you see in this one we have another a smaller VLOOKUP within a big VLOOKUP. Okay, as a column number. Okay, we enter. So you got red. See, so that means you want to copy to that one, we have to lock. Okay, that means want to copy there, we lock the column here, that means we lock n, but the row we don't want to lock the range, the heading we want to lock the only the up one, then the range we lock. Okay, enter. So we can copy all the way up here, so then copy down. Okay, then we see we have all the same. That means this one is more sophisticated, whereby we can use parameter, right, for the column number. Okay, okay. So this is the exact match of VLOOKUP. Okay, now we go to the multiple VLOOKUP. Okay, for multiple VLOOKUP, usually we can use in practice we can use an array formula, but here I show you without the array formula. Okay, so for this one, shirt white color, that means this is a 3 condition to look up for the stock here. Okay, so that means to do that we have to combine equal this one join with this one, the shirt, the color one, then join with this one. Okay, enter. So that means this one we have a join. Okay, that means it will become, that means 3 parameter become 1 parameter. Okay, so same for this. Let's say similar, you can copy just like that, copy, put here. Okay, so it's also join it. Okay, you see join. Okay, so now we use a VLOOKUP equal VLOOKUP. Okay, now instead of lookup this, we look up this. Instead of this range, we look up this range. Okay, that means okay. Now instead of 1 2 3 4 becomes 1 2 3 4 5 5. Then it's an exact. Okay, we have like this. Shirt white M25. Okay, so let's say we want and we just do. Okay, so we have the multiple VLOOKUP. Okay, so that's it for VLOOKUP. Thank you.